Good afternoon. My name is Hugo Sopo. Uh, I have 47 years old. I am electrician technician. Um, my marital status is free union. I live in the apartment beautiful in the Green City. First of all, I have been working for away from the house along with two other engineers. It has been difficult for me to study in the last month. On the other hand, my work has been spectacular. Sometimes I feel the absence of my wife and my children. This too hard. I also hope later to find a new job that will allow me to be with my family more often. Finally, I can compare myself to Simeon because it's a very special job. Thank you.